Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a very short section of the dance that's found in Taylor Swift's new music video, The Fate of Ophelia. This dance was choreographed by Mandy. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, using a lot of repetition, having a lot of fun. Please note that this video is the tutorial only, so when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go click that link, check out that other video when you're ready to practice this with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. We're gonna break the moves down into counts of 8, and there are gonna be 3.5 total. Let's go. Our first 8 count, we're gonna start facing this left corner. Your hands can start back up here on your hips, pull those elbows back, and you can nod your head to start on the 5, 6, 7, 8 if you want to do exactly what Taylor does. I'm going to start right after that on the 1. So it's the land, the sea, the sky. Just your footwork first. We're going to go forward, little tiny. You're going to pick up your heels, pick up your toes, pick up your heels, pick up your toes. So from behind, you're just going heels, toes, heels, toes. So you're barely moving anywhere. It's not big, but you're just kind of grooving forward this way. Heels, toes, heels, toes. Make sure we're sitting into those legs, so bend your knees. Heels, toes, heels, toes. And then on 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna step right, left to face the front. So that first step, I'm gonna cross it in front a little bit, 5, and then just step side to side, 6, 7, 8. So your first 8 count of just your leg work, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't like the heels, toes, you can just step 4 times facing the corner, right, left, and then 4 times facing the front. Choose your adventure. Try just the legs one more time. 5, 6, I'm heels and toes. Go 1, 2, 3, then we step right, left. Why did I say I'm heels and toes? I don't know. Now let's add your arms. So this is the land, the sea, the sky. So we're gonna take them out, then they're gonna wave, then they're gonna come up and down. Everything's gonna get 2 counts. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 7, 8, we pledge allegiance. You're gonna push your left hand down and flex your wrist and just bring your right hand to your chest. That gets 2 counts too. So everything gets 2 counts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you don't have to rush that hand in. You can take your time with all your movements getting into those positions. When we put it together, we're facing this left corner. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna go heels, toes, again, heels, toes. Now you're gonna step right, left. Ooh, let's try that. I'll count you in. 5, 6, heels and toes to the front we go. Land, then sea. Now we step on sky, then we pledge allegiance. Sounds just like that. I'll count it. 5, 6, heels and toes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, sky. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your first 8 count. Great job. You're doing awesome. Remember, this is a recorded tutorial. You can pause it. You can go back and do that first 8 count again as many times as you need to. But when you're ready, let's go on to our second 8 count. So we finished here. We're not gonna march or do anything with the legs right now. Just your arms. You're gonna take this right hand and it's gonna kind of wave to the front, 1. Then your left hand's gonna come up, 2. You can kind of wave it up 2. And I don't know if you're flexing it this way or holding it down this way. I think it's whatever you want to do, but it's coming on top of the right hand. So you're going right, left. Just try that. We go right, left. Do it again. We go right, left. Then you're going to fold your right over your body, and then your left is going to snap out here. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, snap, 4. Yes. 5, 6, your right hand goes first. This is right, left, left. Again, 5, 6, your right arm goes first. This is right, then left, then fold, then snap. 5, 6, right arm goes first. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And on that part, if you want to barely move your hip side to side, you can. And I would go left, right, left, right. And so you'd push that hip out to the right when you snap the left. Again, hips would go left, right, nope, left, right, left, right. And then from here on 5, 6, 7, 8, your hands are gonna come to these like snapping fists, and they're gonna go right arm up, left arm down, and then you're gonna switch it, and then you're gonna switch it, and then you're gonna switch it. So just remember that the right arm is gonna come up first, and then you're just gonna switch 4 times. And as you do, you're gonna lean your upper body a little bit towards the upper arm, and you're gonna push your hip out towards the straight arm, and then you're just gonna switch. So they're just pushing through the center here, and you're leaning side to side. And it's gonna go right, left, right, left. That's on 5, 6, 7, 8. So just try that. 1, 2, 3, right arm on 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. So we finished our first 8 count here. Nice and slow, you're gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah, I'll count you in. 5, 6, right arm goes up on 1, left 2, fold 3, snap 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, right arm goes on 1, left 2, fold 3, snap 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. So this left hand is already up here, so then your right arm's gonna switch into that. So that's a nice transition there. Let's go back to the top and put those 2 8 counts together. So we're facing our left corner. Let's talk about it. You're gonna start with your heels and toes. You're gonna take the land arms out, the C arms wave, then you start stepping as you do the sky. 5, 6, you pledge allegiance. 7, 8, then your feet stay planted as you do your arms. Right, then left, then right, then left. Now you switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'll count you into it. Here we go. Heels and toes. 5, 6, heels and toes. Go 1, 2, wave. 3, 4, sky. 5, 6, pledge. 7, 8, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's go one more time, a little bit faster. I believe in you. Here we go, heels and toes. 5, 6, heels and toes. Go 1, 2, 3, now sky. 5, 6, pledge. 7, right arm. 1, 2, 3, snap. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, fantastic job. Who's doing amazing? It's you. If you're moving, you're doing it right. It's just for fun, y'all. Our third 8 count, when you're ready, we're gonna add on. So we just did our little right, left, right, left. We're gonna turn around, but here's what you're gonna do. You're stepping on your right and then pivoting to your left. Stepping on your right, pivoting to your left. Stepping on your right, pivoting to your left. So you're rocking from your right to your left, and as you do that, you're gonna circle your hips around. So think about as you step on the right, your hip's gonna push out and then come over here to meet your right, and then you would do that again. Right, circle, right, circle. And I'm exaggerating this a little bit here. You're really just working those hips around in whatever way feels good to you. Your arm, there's gonna be 3 of those total. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you wanna be facing this right wall here. Your left shoulder's towards the front. Your arms, they're gonna go behind your head, then your right arm's gonna fall down, then your left arm's gonna come down like this. So the palm is up and you're lowering it like this. So they have behind, right arm down, left arm falls. And everything gets 2 counts, just like before in the first 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And everything's getting a hip rotation at that same time. So it looks like this. 1, 2, right arm, 3, 4, left down, 5, 6. Yeah, try it again. And you can look back to the front as that arm falls down. Woo, here we go, I'll count you into it. So we finished here. You're gonna step on that right foot. 5, 6, hands go up. We go 1, 2, right arm, 3, 4, left arm, 5, 6. Then we're gonna do this little pop and pop step. So on 7, your hands are gonna come to your thighs. And on 8, they're gonna pull back to your low back, pulling those elbows back as well. Back, back, back. So this is 7, 8. Down, up, but they're adding a little contraction action. So that's gonna be on and 7. You're gonna pop that chest out, and then you're gonna go and 8. Pop the chest out again. And 7 and 8. This might take you a second. Just try and see how that feels in your body, because it's not, I mean, who walks around doing this, right? But we're going pop and pop. So you want to be popping the chest out when the elbows come here. Pop, pop. That's on 7, 8. So our third 8 count. You finished here. Hands are going to go behind your head on 1, 2. Then right hand comes down, 3, 4. Left hand comes down, 5, 6. And then we're going to go thighs, pop on 7 and 7 and 8. Yeah, I'll count you in. 5, 6, turn to the left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. From here, let's finish it out. We have 4 more counts. You're gonna take your arms, are gonna come down from your hips and float up. The hands are heavy, the wrists are relaxed. The right arm's gonna be a little bit higher than the left. So that's gonna be 1, 2, and then you're just gonna melt down on 3, 4. And you can kind of stand up, lift up in this part, and then melt. Everything gets 2 counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're done. So we finished 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to kind of pick that heel up to dig there, to add a little something, you can. So again, we did 7 and 8, we go 1, 2, melt, 3, 4. Yeah, very nice. Let's talk about our last 8 count and a half. So we went 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to take that right foot around, circling the hips, hands go behind your head on 1, 2, right arm, 3, 4, left arm, 5, 6, thighs, 7, back, 8, we go up, then we melt for 2. I'll count the whole thing this time. 5, 6, 7, circle on 1, 2, right, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fantastic job. We're gonna go all the way back to the top, put all of our 8 counts together, super duper slow, see how it all fits. This time's for our brain. Are you ready? We're facing this left corner. We're gonna go to the land, heels and toes. I believe in you. Here we go. 5, 6, heels and toes. This is land, 2, sea, 3, 4, sky, 5, 6, pledge, 7, right arm goes right, then left, then right, then left, then right, left 2 more times. Then we circle on 1, 2, right arm down, 3, 4, left arm down, 5, 6, thighs, 7, then 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, very, very nice. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna go a little bit faster. If you're not ready, go back, watch that slower time as many times as you need to. When you're ready, let's go a little faster. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, heels, toes to the front. You got it. 1, 2, wave, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, pledge, 7, right arm goes 1, 2, then 3, snap, 4, right and left, 6, circle around, arms up, 2, right, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, then up, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We're gonna do it one more time here together, a little bit faster, closer to the tempo of the song. We're gonna have some fun. Are you ready? You're doing awesome. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6. Heels, toes to the front. On 1, 2, C, 3, 4. Sky 5, 6. Pledge 7. Right arm 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6. Turn it around. 1, 2. Right 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Then up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. And that was our tutorial. You did amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you had fun. I know that I did. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Remember to be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.